Goat Baking Company had 5,242 eggs. Then employees used 1,328 eggs to make pumpkin pie. About how many eggs are left? Now, this is an estimate. So, about means you're not going to get the exact number that we're supposed to get, but we're estimating. So, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to round both of these numbers to the nearest hundred. That's what I'm going to do. Some of you might want to round it to the nearest thousand, and maybe you'll get a similar answer, but I'm going to round this to the nearest hundred. So I'm going to take this number first and round it to the nearest hundred. So I'm going to look to the number to the right of that 2, which is a 4. And the rule when you round is 5 or above, give it a shove, 4 or below, let it go. Well, 4 is 4 or below. So the Goat Baking Company has about 5,200 eggs. So that's how I'm going to round that number. But employees used 1,328 eggs to make pumpkin pie. So if I want to round that to the nearest hundred, I'm going to circle the 3 and look at the number to the right of it. The number to the right of it is 2. 5 or above, give it a shove. Nope. 4 or below, let it go. Yep. So I'm going to round this to 1,300. Now, if the Goat Baking Company had this many eggs and then used 1,300 eggs, that means we're subtracting. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 3 can't do it. Let's borrow from 5 and make it a 4 and make you a 12. 12 minus 3 is 9, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So how many eggs are left? About 3,900 eggs are left. Now again, some of you might say you did too much because you're not really estimating when you're doing all of this. So I just made this 5,000, I just made this 1,000, and 5,000 minus 1,000 is 4,000. Well, if you get 4,000 and I get 3,900, that's very, very, very close. So again, the point of an estimate is you're not looking for an exact answer, you're looking for about an answer, and I got about 3,900 eggs.